So, hello. I-share ko itong Fili TV streaming app. So, may option ito na live TV where you can watch any live channels from NBA, UFC, boxing, sports, general entertainment, kids, news, music, lifestyle, religious. So I'll start with the kids. So under kids, we have so many channels. Disney Junior, Nick Junior, Nickelodeon, Nicktoons, Cartoon Network, and so many more. So for example, this. Alright, so this is the kids. So let's go to the more popular NBA. So we have NBA TV Philippines. So here, as you can see, we have a live TV, NBA TV Philippines. Since gabi ngayon, so walang live games. So nagre-replay lang. Pero live TV to. Live channels. And we also have for those loving UFC boxing, so we have UFC TV, Premier Sports, and this one. So for those who would like what else, sports, we have these options. Hindi ko na lang isa-isahin. So ito may PBA. So sa mga gusto ng PBA, so ito. So replay ngayon is Rain or Shine Talk in Text. So walang game ngayon kasi Lunes. And we'll go to the movies option. So in here we can see a lot of movies here. So these are the top popular as of this time, right? So this one. So we can search by top popular in theaters, franchises, in different romance, comedy. So we can search also by topic, by year. So in by topic, you can see Christian, drug related, witchcraft, boxing, and etc. So we can try to play a movie from the Philippines, which is the Delivery Rider. Here, so we can play. So we can go to the middle part. So this is the Delivery Rider movie, which is just recently. And what else? And other most interesting, I think, also is the series. So in here, all the provider or the network already available: Netflix, Korean dramas, and Pinoy drama, Bio, HBO, Prime Video, Disney Plus, Apple TV, Hulu. So everything, all TV series is now in one subscription, and you can just choose which. But you can also search here, so you can search all the what movies and series you would like to view. What I have here is Night Agent, so there's a movie related to that one, and there's also a series related to that one, so we can try play. This is series is just I recently view, and I'm in the episode 5, so let's try that one.
And Henry Campbell's old FBI hit, but somebody killed the deputy director of the FBI. I'm pulling Ramirez.
Well, they swap some shifts
No,
around.
I'm sending a replacement.
Go back to the menu. We'll back to a movie series, anime. We'll try for those loving anime. Here, so these are the anime. So we have characters and popular, right? So you can choose any of these. All of this is in one subscription only, so you can save a lot. So you have movies and series, which consist of movies and TV series, and you also have live TV, and live TV you can view any sports, and we have a MotoGP.
This was going through turn 11 late on, and over the line he goes. Great
I
race.
think
Great race.
for those
Holding a
loving
second at the checker flag.
Difference between German football and French football.
for the football,
I feel like German
cycling,
It's 540, he's a bit over to the left on the spine, but he still landed it without any issues. Now we're getting going here. There's the right flick to the
and
side of the body.
what else?
Well, the 30 seconds
For the
on the clock into the double
tennis, see that one? Like, I think all of the live channels available on most cable TV is already here. Alright, so you can, if you don't have the box, you can just purchase this, which the same as mine. So
It's a
this
tricky
is
situation, isn't it?
MXQ Pro,
That's at our far end.
and
Obviously, he felt like he was distracted
you just install it,
by someone in the crowd.
and you can have this all entertainment. So don't hesitate to message us
We've all played matches where
asking
we felt like they
details
had
about the
it's
box,
tough not
about
to have a
the
bit of an outlet.
loading, so we can help. Let us know how we can help. Right, see you. Thank you.